Hey girls, it's Deanna from thelivefitgirls.com, and today we are going to be working those lower abs with this 15-minute workout. If you like this workout, make sure you check out my app, The Fitness Collective. There are a ton of workouts just like this, full-length follow-along style workouts just for you that are exclusive to the app, and you won't find them here on YouTube. I'll leave a link down below for you to check it out. Let's get started. Let's get started with a little warm-up. We're going to come down onto our mat, and we're going to start with some planks. So we're gonna have those hands right underneath the shoulders and then step those feet out and just find a nice beautiful plank here. Scoop the belly in, lengthen out through the crown of the head, lengthen out through those legs, those heels, squeeze the glutes and squeeze those legs together. Big inhales through the nose, long exhales through the mouth. And remember, tiny little bend in the elbows, pressing that floor away from you, lifting up through the chest and the back. Big inhales. Long exhales. Good, big inhales, long exhales. So from here, what I want you to do is drop one knee down to the floor, just tap the floor, bring it right back up, and then switch. So the goal here is to keep everything steady, except that one moving leg, and you're gonna feel those low abs like crazy here. Down, exhale, lift. 10 on each side here. Still thinking of our form in that plank. Nice job, ladies. Down and up. Sneaky little arm work. We're gonna go 3 more each side. 2 more each side. 1 more each side. Hold it. Now both knees drop and lift. Down and lift, just for 8. Here's 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 3, here's 2, 1, and lower it down. All right, super quick, but you should feel pretty warm. All right, come on down onto your back. We're gonna get right into those lower abs. So come on down. Now from here, what I want you to do is hands can go behind your head and lift into an ab curl if you want, or keep the head down, but we're gonna get right into those low abs. So legs come right up to tabletop, and then from here, reach one leg out nice and long, pull it back in. Switch sides, reach and in. So we're just gonna build, starting with a little bit easier exercises. You get to a little bit more of a challenging exercise towards the end. Reach, pull in. Now, I want you to be thinking of scooping those abs in deeper each time the leg goes farther away. So pull the abs down, don't let those abs pooch up. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull back in. Again, feel free to come up here for a little extra, totally fine. Inhale, lengthen, exhale in. Nice neutral spine here, 3 more each side. Reach and in, reach and in. 1 more each side. Hips stay steady. Now from here, both legs reach out, pull it back in. Reach and in. Belly staying flat. 10 here, use that exhale to really draw those abs in deeper. Again, feel free to lower the head down if you need it. Just for 4, 3, 2 more. Last one. Take a quick little rest here. Rock those hips side to side. Let that low back release a little bit, and then both legs are gonna go straight up towards the ceiling here. Now from here, drop one leg down, pull right back up. Other side, and up. Down, you lift. Down and lift. Those legs don't have to be totally straight, especially if you're really tight in those hamstrings. They can have a little bend here. I'd rather you feel those low abs than try and get that leg super, super straight. So just keep that in mind. Again, we have 10 on each side here. Exhaling to lift, drawing those abs deeper. Good. Again, feel free to lift into that ab curl just for a little extra challenge here. We are running through all of those really good low ab exercises. Let's go 2 more each side. 1 more each side. Now, both legs drop down and lift. Down and lift, just for 8 more. You've got this. Lift. Again, feel free to lift into that ab curl. Down. Lift, belly flat. You've got this, ladies. Keep breathing. 2 more. Last one. And rest. Oh my gosh. Again, let the low back release. Rock a little side to side. Maybe take a nice long tug of war stretch here, letting those abs stretch out a little bit. Whew. You feeling it yet? I know I sure am. All right, we're gonna do a little corkscrew here. So legs are gonna go up and you're gonna just drop them to one side, come up, so you draw a circle, and then reverse it. So you get a little bit of obliques, lots and lots of low abs here. Again, you can lift into that ab curl if you would like, or head can stay down. That's totally fine. If your head stays down, let's bring those arms out to the side just for a little extra leverage. Now from here, you drop over towards me, come down, around, and lift on the other side. Reverse it. Down, around, lift on the side. Try and relax those shoulders. Down, around, you lift. Good. You have a little swivel in those hips here, but keep drawing the belly button down in towards your spine. We're gonna go 10 each direction. This is gonna be a killer. 2 more each direction, come on. Stay strong. 1 more. Last one, reverse it. Whew. Oh my gosh. All right, amazing job. Let's come on over onto our stomachs. We get a little bit more plank work here. So we're gonna do a very, very slow mountain climbers. So from here, what I want you to do is, again, finding that plank on those hands right underneath the shoulders, and you're gonna draw the knees in towards the chest, really slow. I want you to focus on the low abs, not cardio, not getting that heart rate up. It's gonna happen, but focus on the abs more than anything. All right, find that plank position. From here, scoop that knee in, reach it out. Scoop that knee in, reach it out. Good. Again, soft bend in the elbows. Nice job, ladies. Pull. Focus and feel those low abs, drawing that knee in towards your chest. Again, we're gonna go 10 each side here, taking your time. Slower is sometimes harder than faster, am I right? 4 more each side. Scoop that belly in deeper. 3 more each side, come on. Push. 2 more. 1 more each side. And down. Shake out those wrists for a second. All right, so we are gonna have those knees directly underneath the hips here, and those hands right underneath the shoulders. So kind of like all fours here. Tuck the toes under and then just lift it up right here and just hold it right here. Nice and strong. This looks super easy, but if you're doing it with me right now, you know it's tough. We're here 30 seconds. Big inhales, long exhales. Scoop the low abs in deeper. Keep a nice neutral spine. Big inhales, long exhales for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Whew. Roll out those wrists. All right, give those arms a little break. We're gonna come back onto our back. We're not done. Right onto the back again. We're gonna do some reverse crunches here. Now, you can do this with bent knees or with straight legs. I'll show you that bent knee variation first, and then if you feel like that's a little too easy for you, which I know they're not, if you feel like that's a little too easy, you can always go straight legs. Now, from here, arms are gonna be down by your side, belly button nice and strong here, and then from here, just lift those hips and down, control it. You lift and down. And down. Control the whole time, especially that kind of descent with those hips. That's the hard part. I don't care about how high you get those hips up. It's more about that control you have. You can always do straight legs, maybe even add a little leg lower, and then right back up for a little extra. Totally cool. We're gonna go 15 here, whichever variation you would like. So again, bent knees, start right here, totally fine. Just try and relax those shoulders. 2, last one, and relax. All right, from here, hands come behind your head. Again, feel free to always leave the head down if you need it. And then from here, lift those legs up. Now extend those legs out nice and long. Little tiny flutter kicks. Breathe it in and out. In and out. 8 more breaths. In and out. 7, 6. You can always do hands underneath your belly too and get a little lower, or under your tailbone, I should say. Big inhales, long exhales, whatever feels right for you. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Whew. All right, just take a little bridge here. Maybe clasp those hands underneath and then pull those shoulders together and just take a nice little stretch for those abs for a second. Good, and bring it down. Hug those knees in towards the chest, rock a little side to side. All right, come on up. All right, one more round of plank stuff. Come on over. Now, very similar to those mountain climber planks. Again, super slow. I want you to go from one elbow to the other elbow, back out, other side. All right, so let's go slow. So find that plank position, hold it. Now from here, come to the outside elbow, inside elbow, and back. Outside elbow, inside elbow, back. Outside, inside, back. Nice and slow. Outside, inside, back. Again, 10 each side. Take your time, strong through the rest of that body. Pull it in, and reach. Come on, reach, reach, and out. Pull it in, out. Come on, out. Squeeze, squeeze, and reach. And reach. Almost there. 3 more each side. And out. In, and out. 2 more each side. And out. And out. 1 more each side. Come on. Reach. And reach. Oh my gosh. Amazing job. Let's stretch it out. Come on over onto your belly. Take a little cobra stretch. So you can be down on your elbows here. And just extend out through the belly, scoop the belly in, or you can always come up on those hands if you're a little more flexible. Just get a nice stretch through those abs. While you're here, I want you to continue focusing on drawing that navel in towards your spine. So you're still engaging through the core, and that's actually gonna increase that stretch for you. And it'll help protect that low back so you don't feel that kind of crunchy, not great feeling on your low back. You'll just feel a nice stretch. Draw those shoulders down your back, lift the chest forward and up, and breathe. Big inhales, long exhales. Good. Sit it back into a little child's pose, toes together, knees apart, and just enjoy that stretch through the low back. Maybe shake out the head no or yes. Let that neck release. Maybe wiggle those hips a little. And then roll it all the way up. And you ladies are finished. I'm so proud of you. I will see you in the next workout.